I'm excited to talk about what's always top of mind for me, how we innovate to help you grow your business. Before I get started, I wanted to say thank you for your partnership. It is truly an honor and a privilege to be building alongside all of you. Throughout today, you'll hear about AI, you'll hear about new analytics products, but at the foundation of it all is one thing, our network. As Zach mentioned, Plaid is a network that has connected around 150 million consumers to over 12,000 financial institutions and data partners, and thousands of fintech products. Today, more than 750,000 connections flow through Plaid every day to apply for loans, fund accounts, invest, and more. These consumer permission connections generate high-fidelity signals, historical account behavior, real-time user activity, device-level intelligence. We use that data to drive faster, smarter, and safer user experiences across the ecosystem. For example, we continuously track success rates and error patterns across thousands of institution integrations. When a user connects, we dynamically route them through the highest performing authentication path, automatically improving speed and completion rates. Another example is how we help you with fraud. Our fraud and risk analytics engines ingest signals from across the network, including things like device reputation, account velocity, IP movement, and identity reuse. We train models on top of that data to flag high-risk behaviors before it impacts your business. Customers use these models to block synthetic identities, detect repeat attackers, and prevent high-velocity fraud, all with the predictive insights they can't get anywhere else. As we grow our network, you get richer analytics, faster onboarding, and more intelligent product experiences out of the box. Now, let's talk about our data network. From the very beginning, our goal was simple: make it easy for anyone to connect their financial accounts to the apps and services they trust. That's why we've focused on building infrastructure that makes it easy for every consumer to connect, no matter where they bank. We're relentlessly expanding the number of financial institutions we support today, both in coverage and the kinds of data we can access. I am proud to say that we lead the industry in terms of long-tail coverage, adding hundreds of additional institutions over the last year. And we've broadened our coverage beyond traditional financial institutions to include new data sources like identity information, payroll information, and more, helping consumers to share a fuller picture of their financial lives. And of course, you need to know who your customers are before onboarding. So we're enhancing our verification tools with richer data to help identify people often missed by traditional sources, like younger consumers. The next update on coverage is a long-standing request from all of you, so I am very excited to announce our support for business bank accounts. With these new connections, we now cover over 95% of US banks that serve small to medium-sized businesses, so you can reach and serve these organizations no matter where they bank. This unlocks a critical, historically underserved segment, small to medium-sized businesses. With more reliable and structured business transaction data, you can deliver better cash flow visibility, streamlined bookkeeping, and smarter lending experiences. Check out our product launch page for more information on this. Next is data quality, because the quality of your data directly impacts the experience you deliver to your users. It's the difference between users instantly connecting to their apps or sending in a support ticket when something breaks. We've been investing deeply to make those frustrating moments disappear. One highlight here is our new AI agent first responders. We've built agentic workflows to detect and triage broken bank integrations automatically, letting our engineers respond 20 times faster and dramatically improving reliability for you and your users. Lastly, the network is awesome, but only awesome if it's easy for you and your team to access and use. To do this, we're constantly working to meet you however and wherever you work. To address the how, we know that many of you work with technology platform providers today across digital banking, lending, prop tech, online gaming, payments, and more. You've asked us to more directly integrate with the partners you are already working with, so you can easily integrate with us. I'm proud to say that growing our partner ecosystem is one of our key focuses this year, and we've more than doubled our ecosystem over the last year. A key highlight in this area is our recently announced partnership with Experian. Together with Experian, we're helping lenders make more informed credit decisions by incorporating real-time cash flow data and analytics alongside credit data. And to meet you where you work, we're focused on helping you expand internationally. We service the US, Canada, the UK, and 19 other countries throughout Europe, including the Nordics. We also recently added coverage for Austria and Poland. So Guten Tag and Vitam to you all. Major companies with global footprints like Affirm, MoneyGram, Western Union, and more are all using Plaid to power their transatlantic services. So we've talked about data, about coverage, about scale. But what it really comes down to is this. Every time you build with Plaid, the Plaid network gets smarter and stronger. And when the network gets stronger, everyone benefits. We turn that data into real-time insights and analytics that help you acquire more users while managing risk. Whether you're looking to supercharge onboarding or meaningfully improve decisioning in lending and payments, we want to give you not just the pipes to build the connections, but the analytics to layer on top to power intelligence. That is what Plaid is all about.